Hey Dan, Grandad. Okay, this is a magic trick I bought you. Let me show it to you first, and then I'll explain how it's done and what the secret is. Okay, which you have to keep, of course. You mustn't tell anyone the secret. Right. So this is the trick. I've got this black stick here, and can you see it's got a red star on it? Yeah. Yeah. Look, a red star. Okay. But if I rub it like that, look, it goes yellow. The star is now yellow. Can you see that? And if I rub it again, it's now gone blue. Can you see that? And rub it the last time, and now instead of blue, it's green. Okay? So we've had, what have we had? We've had green. We've had blue. See the blue there? Yeah, we've had yellow. And finally we've had red. There you go. That's the trick. Now let me explain how it's done. This is no ordinary stick. Okay? It's got a red star on that side and it's got a yellow star on that side. But this handle slides out. And when you do that, it now shows, look, a blue here and a green on that side. Okay, so we start with it pushed in and we can see the red and the yellow. Okay, now there's something called the paddle move, which is this. I can show you the yellow, I can turn my hand over, and I can show you the yellow on the other side as well. But you and I both know that actually on the other side is a red. So I've actually just shown you the same side twice. That side, okay, and what looks to be the other side, but is actually the same side. Okay, and this is called the paddle move. And the way it's done is, as you turn your hand over, you roll between your thumb and your first finger. You roll the paddle, but you don't do that roll until you do the bigger movement, turning your hand like that. So you don't do that. That's no good, is it? Because people will see the red. So you're not allowed to do the paddle move, the roll, until you start moving. And you mustn't do it too slowly either, otherwise people will see. So it's like that. And that takes quite a bit of practice, and you're not allowed to show anyone the trick until you can do this in front of a mirror and you can fool yourself. Okay, and that's all the secret is to the trick. The rest is just going through the routine, the script. Okay, so the first one is we change it from, I think we started on red actually when I showed you. Right, start with the red. Okay, we do that paddle move. Remember, you don't roll it until you're moving your whole hand. It's because the way the human brain and the human eyes work, okay, the large movement covers the small movement. But you're not allowed to roll the paddle until your hand is moving. And you mustn't do it too slowly. Equally, you mustn't do it too quickly either, otherwise people will be suspicious. So there's like a nice medium pace. Okay, so the routine is, you say, right, I've got this stick, it's got a red star on it. Obviously be careful not to show the other side. Put it into the position for the paddle move, and then say, you don't say that it's got a red on each side, you just say, it's got a red star on it. And you just show both sides. You don't want to bring attention to that there might be something different with the other side. Okay, you just say it's a red star. Don't mention the other side. Now, when you put this hand comes over, and as it covers that stick, and you go like, you sort of like put your hand over and pull it away. As it covers the stick, you do the paddle move, and then it shows you the yellow. You might need to just reposition that in your thumb and forefinger there to get the right feel, but then you can show it as yellow. Now you put your hand over it again, and you can see why I made that movement before, because this time you're actually going to grab hold of it and pull that out. Okay, so you're going from there, and now it's blue. Show it both sides using the paddle move, and then again cover it, do the paddle move, show that it now shows the green. Okay, so you're doing that underneath your hand like that. Maybe reposition if you need to, and then you just go backwards, show the blue again. This time you push it in and you show the yellow, and then twist. I did that too early then. Cover your hand, and that's the red. It's probably a good, actually thinking about it, it's probably a good thing to do when you go from, say, here to there, whoops, from red to yellow, yeah. When you put your hand over, it's probably a good idea actually to bring your hands forward slightly. Again, it's the larger movement. So that's it. There we are, that's the trick. Practice, practice, practice. Don't tell anyone the secret, and only when you can fool yourself in front of a mirror, do it. Okay, just a quick recap then. When you do the paddle move, make sure you move your hand, your whole hand, quite a lot, and you don't start the twisty paddle move until your hand is actually moving, and then you'll be fine. Alright, see you later. Bye.